Hi, I'm Trixie. And today, I'm going to prank Courtney by throwing a blizzard at her on Dairy Queen. Ha 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 ha. This is going to be funny.
Hello. Welcome to Dairy Queen. How can I help you?
I will have a blizzard to go, please.
Okay. That will be $4.
Here you go.
Thanks. Your blizzard will be ready in a little bit.
Yes. The manager is making my blizzard. When he's done, I'll throw it at Courtney. Ha 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 ha.
Okay. Here's your blizzard. Have a nice day.
Okay. You too.
I wonder where she's walking off to.
That's cold.
Never mind. I think I know now.
Trixie. I can't believe you threw that blizzard at me. Now my face is covered in blizzard cream because of you.
Indeed. And thanks to you, you just wasted the blizzard, and now I have to clean up the mess thanks to you. That's it. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. You're now banned from this Dairy Queen restaurant for 3 days. Go home now before I get security on you.
Fine. Whatever, you pieces of garbage.
Shut up.
Where were you, Trixie? And why do you look angry?
Well, Mom, Dad, and Giselle. I went to Dairy Queen, and then I threw a blizzard at Courtney as a prank. But then, the stupid manager of Dairy Queen kicked me out and banned me for 3 days after that.
Oh. My. Freaking. God. Trixie. We cannot believe you threw a blizzard at Courtney. Now thanks to you, she now has to get her face cleaned up, all thanks to you.
That's it. You young lady are grounded for the rest of the month.
Now head back to your room and really be ashamed of yourself.